What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the wireless remote with your BD20s. On top we have the power button, which will actually only turn the bulb of the light on or off, but not the overall light in general. Next we have these up and down buttons for the settings menu, so we can cycle between different settings. We have the sound mode here, which will set our lights to the sound mode. And then we can adjust the sensitivity with these buttons right underneath. Next we have the auto button to set our lights to the different auto modes. So if we press it once, we set it to auto 1. We press it again, we set it to auto 2. And then once more for auto 3. Next we have the manual button to set our lights to manual mode. Underneath we have these up and down buttons to cycle between different colors. We can also set up the strobe by using these up and down buttons here. And we can also control the motor speed with these buttons here. And lastly, we have these two DMX buttons to cycle between the different DMX addresses on our lights. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to use the remote with your BD20 lights. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.